What you're looking at right now was created by someone who had never opened an AI art tool before. That image took less than 60 seconds, and it cost them nothing. By the end of this video, you will do exactly the same thing. You'll have your Leonardo AI account live, your dashboard configured, and your first professional image generated using the free plan before this video is over. And here's the thing, most tutorials skip. There's one setting buried in the Leonardo AI dashboard that doubles your output quality. Most beginners never find it. I'll show you exactly where it is. Let's start with what Leonardo AI actually is. Well, one sentence. Leonardo AI is a browser-based platform that generates professional quality images from text descriptions. No design skills required. So you type what you want and it builds it. Now, you may have heard of Midjourney or dall-e. Here's how Leonardo AI is different and why it matters for you specifically. Midjourney runs inside Discord Hour, which means extra setup, extra accounts, and a steeper learning curve. dall-e lives inside ChatGPT. It's simple, but the output quality and customization are limited. Leonardo AI gives you a dedicated platform built from the ground up for image generation, with far more model options, style controls, and a free tier that actually lets you create. But that free tier is important. Let me be completely clear about what you get at zero cost. Every day, Leonardo AI gives you 150 tokens, automatically, refreshed every 24 hours. A standard image generation costs between 4 and 8 tokens. That means you can generate 15 to 30 images per day for free. That is not a trial. That is a real, functional, creative tool at no cost. All right, let's get your account created. Open your browser and go to leonardo.ai. That's leonardo.ai, and you'll land on the home page. Click the button that says Get Started for free. It's in the top right corner. You have 3 sign-in options: Google, Apple, or email. Choose whichever is fastest for you. For most people, Google is the quickest. Click it, authorize the connection, and you're in. The first thing you'll see is a short onboarding survey. Leonardo will ask how you plan to use the platform: marketing, art, gaming, personal use. Answer this honestly. It affects which default models appear in your dashboard. And if you're here to learn and create, select personal use or content creation. Now you're inside the dashboard. Let me walk you through the layout so nothing feels unfamiliar. Just on the left side, you have your navigation menu. This contains image generation, AI canvas, motion, which is video, and your personal gallery. At the top right, you'll see your token count. Well, that number is your daily creative budget. In the center is your main workspace. Here's something beginners miss immediately. See the token count in the top right? Hover over it. A pop-up appears showing your token breakdown: daily tokens, subscription tokens if you have them, and purchase tokens. Daily tokens reset every day. The others do not. Never spend your purchase tokens on basic generations. Save them for high-resolution outputs or specialized features. Now let's talk about the free plan versus the paid plans. Clearly, with no sales pressure. The free plan gives you 150 daily tokens, access to all core AI models, standard resolution outputs, and the ability to save images to your personal gallery. You cannot access real-time generation, priority queue, or the highest resolution settings without a subscription. But for learning, for experimenting, and for generating real, shareable results, the free plan is completely sufficient. If you do decide to upgrade, the apprentice plan costs around $10 per month and gives you 8,500 tokens monthly, plus faster generation speeds. The artisan plan at around $24 unlocks the full feature set. But again, start free. Master the tool first. Upgrade when you have a specific need, and let's generate your first image. Click Image Generation in the left menu. You'll see a large text field at the top with the label Image Prompt. This is where you describe what you want to create. Below the prompt box, you'll see a panel labeled AI Models. But this is the hidden setting I mentioned at the start. Default model loaded may not be the best for your use case. For photorealistic results, select Leonardo Diffusion XLA. For artistic illustrated styles, select Dream Shaper or Absolute Reality. Choosing the right model before you type a single word is what separates beginner outputs from professional outputs. Now type your first prompt. Keep it specific. Here is a proven starter prompt. A confident female entrepreneur working at a modern desk, laptop open, warm natural window light, photorealistic, high detail, 4K. Type that exactly, or something similar for your own use case. You'd set your image dimensions to square 1:1 for your first attempt, and this is the most forgiving format for beginners. Set number of images to 4, so you get multiple outputs from one generation and can choose the best. Click Generate. The system will process for 15 to 30 seconds. When your 4 images appear, study them. Look at sharpness, composition, and lighting. If one stands out, hover over it and click the download icon. Your image saves directly to your device. If the results aren't what you wanted, don't change your prompt yet. First, try switching the AI model. Same prompt, different model. The results can be dramatically different. This is how professionals test Leonardo AI, not by rewriting prompts constantly, but by exploring models first. Before we finish, let me show you one final thing that will save you time. In the top left of the dashboard, click Personal Feed. And this is Leonardo AI's built-in inspiration gallery. Thousands of real user outputs, each showing the exact prompt and model settings used to create them. When you're stuck on a prompt, start here. Copy a prompt that matches your style, modify it, and run it. You're not copying, you're learning by example. Every professional creator does this. Now here's your action plan for the next 10 minutes. 1. Create your free Leonardo AI account at leonardo.ai. 2. Complete the onboarding survey honestly. 3. Navigate to image generation. 4. Select Leonardo Diffusion XL as your model. 5. Type a specific prompt and generate 4 images. 6. Download your favorite result. That is your entry point into AI image creation. No subscription, no design experience, no complicated setup. Just a browser, a free account, and a text description of what you want to see. In the next video of this masterclass, we go deeper. Prompt engineering, how to write descriptions that get exactly the result you're imagining every single time. Subscribe now so you don't miss it. And drop a comment below telling me what your first image will be. I read everyone. Now go create your account. The link is in the description as Team I'll see you in the next video.